GOG. NFA MC. Okay, DC for Edujama. Honorable Yamba. Mamenchia pa uti jumedi live. Afe Nedru. Oba hima Jennifer Ochreso JOD. Akwa baby na fe.
Ezutipa ho ye de.
Oh nyame adu nyame krom.
Meti se NDC for no. Minianum no meti se omo kase bia ya na I feel so omo de diago. NDC omo ye joke. Na MP bia no
ruling party.
Omo ye joke of a political party. To be honest, omo ye joke.
Led by
and I'll prove to you why.
And His Excellency.
And Edu Brebia mo journalists I me the blame ni bi mamo.
They
The bia omo kasa omo si John Mahama ba power 10 months ni. Eya omo kasa te say the John Mahama I say no ye minister bi no officer de wabedi. President.
Ebi an second coming na mom.
And no kwana wasn't kotimi ye no okota fe 8 years no. Every problem I feel so encounter a opposition no. What stopped you from proposing solutions to what I'll keep you on running? You talked about Erastus Asaredonko. And I'm saying this for me a joke no. Erastus Mankasamu colleague.
That's right.
Also on Okraman for person muboni two. Nana kora or nini namoni ni ejuma or caso mon protect or man protect. I want to say
Galamsey.
Ghana here on Galamsey. Now onim the ma problem winning na free ban say. I'm a journalist no more blame ni who be ne say. Omunko for mu or more parliamentary candidates around a lot of constituencies now. Omu Galamsey campaigns. And you journalists, you know.
You are alleged.
I'm not alleged. I'm a Central. Kachaye, or no Galamsey no way. Now, I'm for 2 months or my MP. No, what were they thinking? In fact, in all Galamsey areas, Omo to Tia MP before, just because they know, say, I see a fight against Galamsey. Omunko for, including me Brako Kubahin. They went to Galamsey areas or more campaign. It's here by our to say, Yen Empeso Mobaye, or Mudom Mama, not journalist Munigana. It's here, Persia fight here, Diana. Muhu so opposition party creates advocacy, no. Someone Pesa because we are not a Gamma or Mutimi for Moody Nama photo about Mompo.
Easamon.
Because Oko mining areas in NDC for Winnie Wawa, they encourage people some moment to Galamsey. And Menoka say, Obinto baby to Galamsey. Say, you could do a center, who be a TikToker. Visibly, I'm for a TikTok live or more Galamsey.
What's the man saying? No more dear. I
am as a journalist for the moment this upon the crime or more the party diagro. That's what I feel. First of all, and Oka Galamsey once them say, and now or more water guards.
Blue water guards.
Funny. Funny. If Uncle for mu gumre mu ho mu tu no, ye ndisi fo a, wo ye water guard a wo uni kapre, uni dama, o di dama to sere. An cry. Baby a woni nam wo ye full soldier bi. Ye see e be ma 5 million, e be ma 7 million. Wo kwa upe de o de be wunya bi. Ne ye se ko nwura mu na wo ndisi ni panyini de nwura mu. To Galamsey a. Wo kwa de na weti baye. Mo pa mo ma mo cameras nkofa ho. Recently omo launch omo sa joke no omo ye no. Se na obi wo guard bi omo wo baby omo to Galamsey na. Aya videos and no journalists in Madaroma mu bi ana. The fact of the matter ne say mo
but to doctor videos near the extra man for.
Erasu some mo colleague na me continue. Mo colleague me say o say omo so gbogbo ni tuo.
A credible journalist.
What you say? And what were you expecting? Ade na money na mo expecting. Na ade ba kwa ya na me ya ne say. Ye nuanom no pese omo yete say akufo those times na Galamsey ba which is false. Enye no kre. Ye ra me so sumama. Enu nti kwa na John Mahama. So obepa bi ya kono ne the best person and ko be propose solutions obey to.
Is obviously the NDC for more.
Because obe the vice president and kan kan wo ho. Abeye president. Oye president esa stay went me ntu. Ama wakwa saba. It is still a menace. It is second chance na no ka so open Ghana for the man no. The relevance any dey.
Yeah, see people's running mate no one in adwen.
Oh mere formality or kokra na say NDC former hijack the 3 arms of government. Executive, judiciary, legislature ni no mafa.
Judiciary so to control mo dey.
Omo na no why to kono free ho chief justice. Omo gi na free ho unconstitutionally.
Oh, independent.
Oh, independent says and ye ni the 3 arms of government independent be anim. Omo ya threaten all the arms of government including the executive itself. It is say papa no petition or the command of parliament. We are having just 86 seats currently in parliament as MPP4. You better object to say obi the motion abaye ntiase. It they are having override the omo chika no the omo pe bia. and momo journalists in nemo be jina Ghana name. Because if the MPP they say you need voice in parliament to be a man, and kebeti mendi omako toe to toe na, the journalists who can speak for the ordinary Ghanaian. And me catch us NDC party near scam, me come on for visa me boy. Tie, na me nuane ke kan sembi. Na ye me wanwa. NDC for any omuti o mai mu no, ase nya o mai we mu ne tibi. Ma me kan sembi show. And let me tell Akuwa say, dollar increase or decrease, is not the only determinant and a factor of a good country or economy. The Obeka Sani no ni mama move. The entire makers say, Emre Biano, the entire no be advocates and Kadola Mra form. And so man come with the Kodi Jacofano Maban, or Mohari or movie no more the bar. And no money born so back for mama, and here for a go my name. Now the relevance any motive of reducing the currency, and back to realization because yen na ye dia dance ye say the more no kwesi keba form scanable form no no board ye dey more yeah bema he doesn't go Akuwa that's a young guy I don't think
a more bag we need a bro now body
me ya sure say Akuwa will be less than 25 years e be o better
girl
the he serious when I am marry me pray why the catch us here TB so man mo be na odi ofie odi to jimi ana Munko busa perfume rice papa ne say yatemu bi so ono oye oba oye oba why na ka tell ne say odada opa me yenko sweet ne so ne nka che obi ase ene light bill omo ba ye the number of times omo tum for one bi omo tum 17% single room nkwa na atia one hwe ene 1 month 100 citizens so light bill da ukọ adwuma ukọ awadundum no ma ukọ waba he was talking about or say the taxes are better on my so or my a journalist be ameka mo na mo MPP for no se mo boy nya se mo nka bi mayo mo ka no kure wo ma 2017 go for the power oba ye no taxes ani impose wo mo so do so to the extent say or abolish 17 and or reduce 4 making it 21 me boy kasa me boy yes most of them were 17.5 VAT rate 17.5 na Ghana for no emi say do time bia na nipa ho na afo no muntia se ne se yakofa president a wadi bia o say ba ko bi be ka chese wadi 10 years nti wono oyire ware wodi ne bone na oni wuja na okọ oba ukoye homework na oba wono oyire ne betema fe na obesu say homework ni say na mebeye no oba ya now they are too into practice because of person oba na otana he has been president before or be papa be yankwa dada and we told people they don't want to listen. He was talking about comparing MPP to NDC. And look at him in Coco 4 times. Omo ba ide no ma ya Ashanti region de no ma ye omo kan che
this one must come back all this time
me omo pa mo yanko de omo pa mo yanko ma factories obesi na onye de gu no ye ka nation building na no ma e di bu oman e ma oman koso a de no ma be ya am oman he was talking about Ashanti region
and this
mini na ne free Ashanti memo a Akuwa mini ne free a se fanfare na omo ye no
ye ka je tia market and this now
me say o say tia market kwase ne be complete in 2018 o man timi kwa complete one project the whole Ashanti region because we did a lot of other projects and we can mention some to you in the space of 8 years the 2 hospitals they started o man timi enwe ba akokora 2 pe
be kwae ne
o man timi enwe de Kofo mpoja ye hwe Kofo be ye president from 2000 to 2009 ne project o ye ya wanwi Ashanti memo o man timi enwe ba akokora no project what hell to
NDC
o mo na me ka o masemi most of them Ashanti region young STEM school we some say mo say Ashanti region kwa
and offenso MP ne ka say no dey mo the STEM but Ashanti region mo ntimi an complete do na say
yeah complete STEM school to say boy ya complete but some three ya complete yeah be no ka
osi mo si be 10 and complete
the whole Ghana are you sure
MC or
oh no
offenso
no mo dey o see away ko here abomosu no ma qualify for NSMQ no National Maths and Science Quiz. Akufo-Addo started from scratch. Yes. Ashanti region here, but some go and check. Go and check. It is there. Otuo Sebo, Jabin. Kumasi Las Vegas. Koshewo. It is there. Sometimes, so data center ne say go no. Baby, Minerals Commission side or Messino no. Now ko judges quarters na wo de nyame ho no. What's a building for broche de na woni na. Akufo na ti ma judges no.
Broche de nyina.
Do what to say what
broche de nyina.
And they be ya na me yase journalist no. Mutimi mind this for ni tram to say. They are meba.
Platform.
O ma be ye no. And nothing na wo ye intermediary wo gina nipa na o mutie ya name. omo ade omo be na Ashanti omo nka ne yenti akoya ye papa wasante mamu ni na ye ne abaye
Ashanti roja kwan papa
ya mini muni me pre kwan a ho am na ye
apremia ma hima
Santa yes so ni mo apre
Job last year November
apre so ni mo it is a oba na enfie oye aban odi mfie nwotwe ebesi one market went me incomplete it must see Antonio from na kumasi ane ye problem nko ane market anasere
yes
mo buy ye mo bedum kania to the sense as of market woman no munyuma gui you are talking about dollar na who dollar na wo form na say nipa no kofa na maba na ma say obaka kofa dollar no maybe so obaka kofa the issue is that Ghana for na ye charitable do 8 years na ho afrom no mapia obi ama na ba omo buy ye adi papa be no ma ya ama Ghana for akọwa je ye wonenam left and right afenaga for the first time in Ghana me see so much say obi ayi single digit number wanya even the fourth choice fourth choice wanya bi
computer placement system no dey start here problems about enya no and they say administrative errors
ni why ya bounce when you 81 sir wanya even first two schools prove me wrong first two schools 8 ones ebi ni ho Oma ye to the extent say you know omo dey be ko go private school so by 4 na ma me no person back private school and go choose government schools no for the first time in Ghana the number of people amodo mu go day school ya ni boarding school abeyepe
asemu
are they not a joke for the first time they be in some kra no baby we free na wa ti ma me for ye dey be to boarding house omo person omo say ade ni nti for the first time in Ghana, these students and the boarding students are placed omo ya yepe.
Mama kai tie phone kakra wadarama. Na me ma onto aso ha. Cause so your platform so new. And chebe be phone lines nti share line nso. 0246 677 566 and no any 0502 667 711 0502 667 711 enche ne abi line no e de ma ye gu so ayeti ba
na edi ho de mpesa me nua no makowa ene mo boaye ne se ye wo power no mo ka se omo wo no ma bebe ku faro mo ma proposals onfa no fancy di onfa ma ne galam se ni nyai se sa proposal ne da omo buku mo te se me di me diary mu a omo ba what is stopping them from opening it and using it ebusu atie me o the inter party we omo ya da fo a omo ye me hu pa ne se they got proposals almost ya bon akufado onu kwa na galam say no omo ko draw galam say US de akufado anim tum okay omo na anim to so so na ye they propose a lot of things to us
but now do satan no so ya boy say or the president no cry to so
my dear why are we in opposition right now in fact okansa assembly in 2020 me say from there every mining site Ghana constituency bia we lost. You lose it from there. Most of what saying this for na kujina was so mobile on bema ye. It's in a human and yet my bed, or mobile almost so much you want to me, on one egalam say. Me patcho ne, yen fat drone nam the whole Ghana. Who see it was at be, or be ye.
Or more ye.
It's what I say. Not as I don't know. A ye for one conclusion, I don't call that dea. A bear cycle casa because or mona ye no moody, or mon come correct. And money bet in your capacity, a yen near what a passe bayeno. Omo the politics are no money per vote. Omo baby no man saw mono, omo crown a demo akotene. Ni so very won't say this for now, constituency, executive near the better TV so say, omo ye, a big coon, TV so won't be.
Some
won't be. Na unim ye kakabomuno, dininano. Many an omoka dollar sema, any single digit inflation name woman. I buy if you watch 5 years in a single digit inflation. And me person me yema in this phone in say after COVID no the impact negative impact enya wa yeso no eno me sisi ni na nam sisi after COVID no e wo say kire say enya mismanagement intini ye kwa ahokyere nim
accident been at home.
I want to establish that fact undeniably say enya say because of ye nima memuo toto because you were evidence of your first 4-5 years. I will be a witness say bibia mebo mu no na bibia kotote but enam say ye developing country
that's right
say point papa mpo bi say omokra omobre after COVID my brothers didn't want to accept say ne no mama ye dene ye mom na ne ye nye ho ade but enya no kre say Ghana ni bia
na
oh Mr. Okasa baby chemi oh I don't know and now I Mr. Oh you ni me oh and now we jam so Ghana ni bia be kan okra NDC for ne ba oman mu bia no mo de ye kwa chiri first no na omo de ade bi da Ghana for no ye ne ba ye wies kana na e system nim obi anya bi na manfo ani just a boys pesca obi a girls e 2 ne 3 ne ade tia na obi e pesca ne bi but this time no ko for di o machi no kapre dama boys ni nya bi na no mo reality on the ground say ye MPP for na de bia o he make say ye party na de entia ye mu bi ye wuda ho kra no ye be try say ye be penko fo betima ye adwuma abo party ne say ade bia political party wo say o seek to do ne say wo hwe say hia ni ho be hare no oni bia ho be hare no enyanka ho be hare o manya za na te ye ba o man mu a ye ni bi developing countries na do so nti aban hyehyeye ene ne no mani bebre no wo say favor sankofo no na wo ba ye 10 months ni da bia busa bibia o si o dollar na ba fom dollar na ba fom mimi to mini dollar mini
mama na se fa
na mo dollar ono
bibia e say dollar no aba fom mama ena Jennifer